Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS ORIGINALS F90s. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Now, let's go. And today we've got a look at the ADIDAS ORIGINALS F90. I hope I pronounced that right. We got these in the core black colorway in the US 8. It's European 41 1/3, and it's UK 7 1/2. And let's get open right here. So these sneakers take a lot of inspiration from Adidas's like late 90s, early 2000s lines with, think of your models like the ZX and the Adidas EQTs. So you got those Adidas with the torsion technology, which this F90s do have. So let's show you that with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. As I mentioned before, you can see that torsion plate right there, and that's usually used for the stability for yourself and for the sneaker itself. And you look at the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is an EVA foam. Again, what better way of getting comfortability than using an EVA foam? It's well known, loads of brands use it, so you can find it here on these ADIDAS ORIGINALS F90s. Also, the upper itself, you look at the upper, it's a wide range of materials. No leathers, I'm afraid. If you're looking for some leathers, they're all synthetics and they have loads of textiles. So you look at that toe box, you got that synthetic textile there in the mud guard, like a nylon toe box right there, and the upper on the medial and the lateral side to show the three stripes with that little bit of purple underneath. That's all textile materials as well. The midsole, the tongue itself, very nicely padded. You got the Adidas logo stitched on, flat laces right there, and right there on the lace lock, you can see the Adidas torsion is highlighted right there. The ankle support is very nicely padded. Adidas logo at the back of the heel also, and you've got this gel torsion right there at the heel on the lateral side, just to show it's just, you know, that little bit of decoration for the sneaker itself. The insole is a gel insole, so you can see it right there. It feels very gel-like, very soft. And you got the Adidas logo with the Trefoil logo. Also, very quick review from me. These sneakers are, you know, they gave me that 90s vibe. If you're wearing an all Adidas tracksuit or shell jacket, you know, this will go well with it. We're seeing a lot of these Adidas runners back in syndication, back in circulation from Adidas, and it's great to see. I'm a big fan of these. I like my pair of EQTs, you know, those runners that Adidas do as well. These remind me of the, as I mentioned, EQTs, because, well, they do remind me of the EQTs so much. The Oswegos as well, because you've got that similar shape, and it's great to see that Adidas have harkened back into this running technology, runner's silhouette, and it's dope in this black and purple colorway. I'm a big fan of prints, as everyone knows, so I love purple. And, you know, the black, you can't go wrong with black. So there's that for you. Can't wait to try these on, show you what these look like on feet. So I'll roll that footage of me trying these Retropy. Again, if I pronounce these wrong, let me know in the comment section below. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But I'm going to keep saying it, Retropy F90. when it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend get a half size to what you usually get for Adidas. Usually I'm a UK size 8, but these 7.5s fit perfectly. I think it's because it's a bit wider at the toe box area, so there's more space for my feet. My toes are surprisingly where they are, just a bit right there, kind of touching the very top of the shoe, but it's very comfortable regardless. They look really cool on as well. They give you that Y2K vibe, you know, mid 90s runners vibes as well. We like that here. Highly recommend. Again, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. The Retropy F90s. So, but you know, help me improve my pronunciation. You know, if you can break it down phonetically on the comment section below, that'd be great. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.